So hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to scrape the YouTube channel data. We can give any channel URL in our code base. We have this code base. We just need to provide the channel URL of any you can give any channel URL here, and we can scrape the complete data of that channel. Okay, for example, suppose I just gave my YouTube channel in here, and I can scrape the complete data, all the videos inside in my channel, or I can get all the data from here. Okay, so suppose if I delete this file. Okay, now I just created this file, and if I will run this, it's my channel will. Okay, uh, okay. Suppose if I want to give the another channel name, suppose I give this channel name. Okay, so I just need to copy the URL here, and I just need to paste it here. And then we have to define like how many videos we want to scrap, and how many sorts and strings we want in our database. Okay, suppose then I will run this, then I'm able to scrap all the data from this channel. Okay, as you can see, I'm able to scrap all the data from this channel. Okay, so I just defined a 10 source, 10 video, and 10 string. And so accordingly, I got the data. As you can see, I got the complete data. If suppose now I want to check the data. Okay, so if I go on the videos, so there's a one video of better champion esports. So I just copy this title and I can search on this. Okay, if it's available or not. Okay, so as you can see, it's available. On if you will complete fill the data, you will get all the things like description, comments, and the text and all the things you will get here. So what we did in this code, let me say you. So we use the apify-client for this to spread the YouTube channel data. So we just defined our API key here. You need to add your API key here, or I will delete this API after the video. And then we are taking the dynamic input here with an input like start URLs. Here we will give the URL of the channel, and then we have the messages how many videos we want to scrap, and then we have the shorts, then we have the string. Okay, then we just running this client here, and we are getting the complete list, and accordingly we are saving the complete list in a CSV file. So it's a simple code, and you will get the data in this file. So accordingly, you can manage this complete data, how in what manner you want to get the data, then you can get. And you can make the any tool regarding with this, you can make a YouTube analysis tool with the help of this. We will create our software for software in this, how we can analyze the complete channel data. We will create it that in the future. So so this is for now. It's our YouTube channel data is set up. If you like the video, then like, so subscribe. So we will meet in next video.